Assalamu alaikum friend, welcome once again in Intro Studio Tourism app. So in this tutorial we will create a database for the user account. So and registering and connected this database to our sign up page and register our one users here from here. Okay, so first of all I just set some design in here. So I just click this will be out of the our area. So I just remove this line align parent right. So here is I just right center horizontal true. Okay, so now it will be at the center point. Now you see. Okay, so here is you can see, but the check will be too much near to the confirm password. So I just some top parent top spaces merchant top 10 dp. So use 10 dp. Now check the space. Okay, so now that's good. Okay, so password is out of the our designing. So here is we set the password design. So here, okay, so here I just don't use right here. So I just use left, right left. So it will be automatically and has place. Okay, so I just use text to you. So my password. So here is open at 200 dp, 20 dp left. Okay, so now as you can see our designing is successfully created is now okay fine. Okay, so now I will first create our start our server web server started. So I have showed you how to install and where you can download from this web server and what will work here. Okay, so now it will starting our server. So here you can create a MySQL database. So it will starting now. Here you can see if this icon is be green, so our server is started. Now I launched my PHP admin here. Okay, so it will open in. So here I am going to create a database for the our app. Okay, so create a app tourism app. So create a new database. So I just named tourism app. So create database. So first table is I count user account. Okay, so I just want how fields I want. So I just counted how many user I have. Okay, so here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7. So 7 8. So I just want 8 9 fields. 9. Okay, so here first of all use id, name, and see what has name, father name, mobile number, address, mobile number, address, username and password. Username, password, and date. Date on which date users created his account. So here is image and status. Status is active or block or something else. So here I just do integer and this will be text. Mobile number isn't text because mobile number will take integer, but the number of video is too big, so that's why I just take the text. So address is text, username is text, and password also text, and date will be is a date. So here is you can see date. Image will be used for the long bulb, and status is also text. Now come here, it's a auto increment and primary key. ID is on increment and primary key on check all this null point checker, because we used for some videos to null pass a videos null videos for the okay. So our field is completed. Maybe in the future we will add some more columns in here, so but now it will be fine. So save it, click the save. Our database is now created. So now I just send the data from our app and connected to our app to this database. So here I just created first database connectivity class, new class, and Java class, and is a DB. I just named the small DB. Okay. Just close this XML file and main activity file because I don't need this. Okay, so first of all here I just create one method public static connection. Okay, so connection, so I use this but it will be maybe not work. Connection connect. Okay, so now it will take a return method from me. So here I just want one connection more. Here connect con equal to null. Okay, so return con. But inside here I just use the try catch. Try catch when our connection problem something error or our database not showing anything, so it will catch the error exception e, and I want to show the error toast dot sorry so here I create new toast. Here I just okay, so I am going to pass a context here, context context. Okay, so context will be showing here context, and the error is e dot get message. Okay, so when some error showing, so it will show me the so after this here return null. So remove this one, so our error has gone. So here is a con equal to the driver manager dot get connection. Okay, so here I am going to pass the URL where I can get the data. Okay, so the URL is the JDBC MySQL code. Okay, so here I am not using the local host because I am running my project and not the my local host, because I am using the emulator. Emulator needs to understand the API IPI. So here I am using the IP. So using the IP to understanding this, not IP API. I understanding the IP. So 10.0.2.2. So now we will here and this admin range localhost. So now I am using our database name tourism app slash tourism app. Okay, so when it's completed. So here using the password root and so user password is null. Okay, so after this I'm going to class dot file name using class. So here is home dot MySQL dot JDBC dot driver. For that class I want one library for the uh, found these classes and these JDBC connection file. So what is the library? I just show you now. Okay, so we need a jar files for the JDBC MySQL connectivity. Okay, so you can find these jar file and my GitHub account. So I'll pay this link you can find in the description of the video in this video. So simple click this link and you will become here to in this page. So click the database DB connectivity file. Okay, so here is this jar file you need to import in your page. So I have already this down file, so you can download this file and import in your project. So how you can import? So right click on the app, so go to new and module, so click the module option. So here you can find the import jar and jar package. So this one click and click the next button. So here you can the file name. So I just found the file, finding the file where my file is. So my file is in the desktop. So here I just user Leon, inside in the Leon I'm searching the desktop. So okay, so here is the desktop. So my file is in the Android app tourism app data. So here is a DB connectivity. So you can find your own jar file where this you can download it. So you can where download. So click OK button and click finish. So it will be sensing in your project. It will be sent in your project the jar file. So it will automatically set it. Okay, so our sensing is completed successfully. So now go to the app world.gradle module app. So click in here and check the implementation of the this jar file. So now I just imported here. So we just didn't the implementation dependencies. So go back here in the GitHub. Okay, so here you can find the dependencies. Just copy this file here and paste it and here. Okay, so sync now it will be in dependencies is connected to my project. So now I'll start our work. Okay, so our dependencies is successfully synced in our project. So now close this and close this, and our DB connectivity is done successfully. Okay, so I'm just checking our DB connectivity. So before the return system to write system out dot println database connected. Okay, so this is for checking. Now going to the sign up page. But I want another create another file for the create account Java class file. So create user account, create user account. Okay. But I want to superclass async task async. So you do know. So click here and okay. So now I just created another class. So here I just extend this class to the async task async task here, but in here I am just passing three string because I want all in the string. Okay, so it will show me the error. So you can just click control plus I do in background. So click here. Okay, so now error has gone, but I want here do and post sorry on post execute on post execute I wanted. And I want the constructor of the class public create user. Okay, so here I am just passing some values parameter inside in the constructor. Okay, so first of all I just created private what I need from the user. Okay, so what I need from the and so ID it will be automatically generated, name, mobile number, address. So string not string text view name uh, okay, so here I just forget the father name, so I just add another value at name after the name go and see the layout. Okay, so here you can use the father name to automatically suggest me, and a father name will be text null no so save. So name, father name, mobile number I want these text. So go back to or create account name, f name, mobile what is mobile address, username, address, user name, and password and date will be automatically image status. So status is a string. So here was private string status. Okay, so this will be fine. So I'm just created so the date. In the next video I will be create a new class for the data. It will be automatically the current date it we take. So I just remove this constructor and right click here at the mouse. So generate, click the generate constructor. So I want all these field uh, not this setting. So this field. Okay, and now that's it. So I just remove the status and always say name, father name. Okay, so but here I just want to text you text. Okay, so this will be I want to change to the string. No, sorry, this is not string and this will be used to the string. change this one to the string. Now it will showing the error because I own to the string dot get text and dot to string. Okay, so now error is gone. See, I just copy the above code and copy this one, control plus C, control plus V, copy, and our error has gone. Now in the do background, so first of all I just created a connection uh, con equal to the db dot connect. So I just use here as a context. Okay, so I'm passing one more parameter here, private context. Okay, so at the end of, so here after the password, context. So this dot context equal to context. Okay, so here I'm just passing this context. Now prepared statement. So now I will try catch because I want to execute something in background, so it will something error, so it will show me the error toast. So now toast, create toast, context e dot get message. If something error, it will show me the error. So here I am just using a string query SQL. So write a query insert into. So now I am just writing the data table name user account. So insert in the user account. So here I am passing all the values what I want to insert into name, father name, mobile number, and address. So yes, after the address, username, password. Okay, so I just want only these things. In the next tutorial I will show you the insert the text and image, but now I just use these field and status. Okay, so this field inserted. Now we'll use um, like this. So I have how much videos I have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 videos. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, so now prepared statement pst is equal to con dot prepare statement SQL. Now use pst dot set string 1 for use name and pst dot set string 2 is used for fname. Pst dot set string 3 is used for mobile. Pst dot set string 4 is used for username, address. Pst dot set string 5 mobile, sorry, username pastry.set string 6 is for password, and the last one is 7 and status is active. Okay, so pastry.execute, and here it will, you can see showing some error because I did not use the return statement. Return mm, user account created successfully. Okay, so this will be the return, but here I am not using this toast, so control plus X cut this toast, and here I am just using the return e dot get. So inserting data error plus e dot get message. Okay, so now you can see error has gone. Okay, so now I just come here and do in background I just paste this toast, context will be, and here we can just add s. Okay, so message will be showing here, so if it will be something error then it will be show, if it will be added user then it will be show. Okay, so now our query data is completed, but it shown some error. Now again. Okay, so here is no not error in this program because we did not save. So when I run this program, so it will remove all this error from here. Okay, so now I'm going to sign up page. So here I can sign up, file open. Okay, so here you can find the button, so sign up create account. So now I just come here, create sorry, private button, create account. Okay, so first of all initialize this button. Create account is equal to find view by id r dot id dot sign up create account. Okay, so this will be generated. So now here is create one private method, private void click method. So create account dot set on click listener new view dot on click listener, and it will generate you the method, and I just call here click. Okay, so now, so I'm just, you can see the error has automatically gone here from our create user account. So it will, when you run this program, it will remove the error from here. Okay, so and now I just call this create class and create CUA is equal to new create user account. Okay, so if you remember, I have used the parameter and my constructor. So now I just pass all these video inside here in this constructor. So now how I just pass this private edit text, so edit text. Okay, so I just made one mistake. It's not a text view, it's all as edit text, edit text. So just change the name edit to the edit text. Copy and paste, paste, paste and paste and paste. Okay, so it will be edit text. So here I am just in the name, if name, mobile address, what is the name, if name, mobile address, username and password, username and password. Okay, so I want these things. So here I just create one more method, private void init. So I just cutted this initializing here and pasted here. Okay, so I just call init here, and inside I am all initializing here. So name is equal to find view by id, r dot id dot sign up name, sign up name. Okay, so here is sign up name, and copy this line and paste it many time. Okay, so here is a father name, so another is a mobile number, another is a address, username, and paste one more time, and this will be password. So change the variable name is a if name, change it, mobile address, username and password. Okay, now I just pass it here, name, if name, mobile address, username and password, and here is this is the context, but now it's still showing some error. I just forget it, username and password, name. Okay, so here is the context, some problem, so I just use sign up dot this, like this. So now error has gone. Now CUA dot just execute this command. Now when you click this button, so it will execute your command. So our code is finished now. I just run my code. So I already started emulator, so it will show. So just run. Now we will wait for the Gradle build running. Okay, so now installing it's our APK in my emulator. Now it's install the new APK. Animation started, so click I register user. So here I am just fill all the information. Name is SFK, so just remove this text. And father name is KHI, mobile number is etc. Address is Pakistan. Username is SFK. Password is Prince. Again Prince. Okay, so here again is just press the user account button, but I think it will show me some error or not working because our application is closed because we did not take the permission from the user uh, internet connection, because we send the data to the local host. When we use from the internet connection something need from the websites or anything, so we need to permission. So how I take the internet permission, click the mini paste an Android manifest file. Okay, so here you can take the permission, usage permission, internet permission. So it will be closed now. Now run again your program and see what happened now. Okay, so it's installing new PK here and launching activity started. Now I just click register user here. Again I am registering one user, SFK, brands, mobile number, etc. Pakistan, SFK, brands, and now user create account button clicked. Okay, so here is a something problem and table. So now I just press again and see what is the error. User account does not exist, so I think I just some errors to create in the queries in the background going. Okay, so here as you can see I just mentioned the name database table name is incorrect, so here I just use user account, but you can see here is users account, so I just add s here. Okay, so again run our program and running emulator and schema filing and starting the our activity, launching activity started. So again register one user here, so the name is Shafayas Khan and Hyal Badshah is the father name, mobile number 03465675 address is Pakistan, username is SFK and password is Prince. Okay, so here you can see the password Prince. So now is create account. User account created successfully now. So now I just check my database and go to browse. Okay, so here as you can see our data is come here, but the image is null and the status is active, database is null, because we did not pass these two column data from here, but the other data is all showing. ID is automatically generated one, so the name is Shafayas and Halbat Shah 304, mobile number and address is Pakistan, username is SFK and password is Prince. So the next tutorial work is completed. So the next tutorial, when I click user create account, so it will create account automatically. So we will add the image from the gallery when I click user here, and it will take the image from the gallery and showing here in the circle. After this we will create a add data and the user. So when these 2 point add here, so when user create account successfully, so it will automatically come here in this page. So the next tutorial we will done to be like this. Okay, goodbye. If you did not subscribe my channel, so please subscribe for the upcoming video. This project is very mega project and you will learn about anything, learn something more from this course. Okay, bye. Allah